Hello students, today we are going to solve first numerical of stopping sight distance. Question is given as calculate minimum distance to avoid head-on collisions of two cars approaching from opposite direction at a speed of 90 km per hour and 60 km per hour. Assume coefficient of friction equals to 0.35. It means that two vehicles are moving like this. That is, one vehicle is moving from this direction and another vehicle is moving from this direction. So they will stop somewhat here. So it will be equals to SSD1 plus SSD2. Now we have to compute the value of SSD1 plus SSD2. Now we know the formula of SSD. It will be equals to 0.278 V into TR plus V square upon 254 F plus minus S. Now here the road is flat because the value of S is not given. So SSD1 will be equals to 0.278. The value of V is 90 and the reaction time will be equals to 2.5 for stopping sight distance plus 90 square upon 254 and the value of F is already given in the question. It will be 0.35. After solving this, we will get SSD1 will be equals to 153.66 meter. That will be the stopping sight distance for first vehicle. Now we will compute the value of SSD2, which will be equals to 0.278 V into TR plus V square upon 254 F plus minus S. Now the speed of second vehicle is equals to 60 km per hour. So it will be equals to 0.278 60 into 2.5 plus 60 square upon 254 into 0.35. After solving this, we will get value as 82.2 meter. That will be the SSD2. Now the total stopping sight distance will be equals to SSD1 plus SSD2. On adding these two values, that is 153.66 plus 82.2, it will be equals to 235.85 meter. That will be the stopping sight distance. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.